Here's a 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It comes with great features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual telescoping steering column, GMC 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, active grille shutters, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.